Hello everyone, my name is Megan and I'm one of the librarians at Heartland Community College Library, and this video is how to find a book or DVD using our library catalog. Starting on the library homepage, click on Research, click on Books and Media, and then click on iShare. iShare is our library catalog. You can search iShare to find books and DVDs, materials we have in our library, and also you can use it to request books from other academic libraries in Illinois. So how does this work? You can search everything at Heartland. So this is all the physical and digital items in the Heartland collection. You can also refine your search to just books or articles, whatever you're looking for, by selecting the resource type. You can also search all the iShare libraries. So these are physical items held by libraries all over Illinois, and you can request them. They'll send them to you via our library, and we will email you when they're here. You can pick it up, and it's all free. So how do we find books or DVDs? Using the search bar above, searching Fast and the Furious, you'll notice, I want to point this out, there's a yellow band that says sign in to get complete results and to request items. If you're just doing a real quick search, you probably don't need to click that, but I would suggest if you wanted to, in order to request something or to make sure that you're getting all the search results, you'll need to sign in. If you click that, choose students and staff, and it will log you in with your Heartland credentials. Now you can see my name is in the upper right-hand corner. This is also how you can check your account. Okay, so I'm just trying to find out if we have the Fast and Furious. It is the first result. It says video, and what I'm looking for is just to make sure it's available. It's available here, and it just says it's in the DVD and audiobook collection with the letter F. So we have everything alphabetically listed. So to find that, you would just go to our collection in the DVDs and look for this title. Let's do another search. How about the DVD Chef? So I'm just entering titles in the search. Same thing. Yes, we do have this film. It's available, and it's going to be in the section with the C's. How do you find a book? Using either the author or the title of the book. Here's an example if you're looking for Stephen King books, just to see what all the books that we have that are Stephen King. You can see we have a lot of results. If you wanted to narrow that down, over here on the left where it says resource type, click show more, and if you click books and apply the filters, that's that green button at the bottom, then you can see all of the books and you don't have to scroll through so many search results. Let's say you are looking for Cujo. Yes, we have that book. It's available here at Heartland Community College. And this is important. You want to write this down or take a picture of it. You can also, if you click this email to self, you'll need this number. This is a Library of Congress call number classification. That's how we organize our books in our stacks here at the library. Once you get to the library, all you have to do is go to the PS section and follow these numbers to find all of Stephen King's books, and then you will find Cujo once you find this number. So you want to make sure you write down or take a picture of, email this number to yourself. If you can't find it, go ahead and ask us. Once you have found it, you can just bring it to our desk and we can check it out and borrow it to you. Same thing, I'm going to do another author. Sadie Smith. Here are some of the books that we have, and you can see that they're all available. And again, this is what we call the call number. You would need this number in order to find it in our collection. If I was looking up a book by title, I'm going to go back to a Stephen King book, Dr. Sleep. You'll see that it comes right up in the search. So however you want to search by author, title, you can do that in the top search bar. Where you can narrow down some of your search results, if your title is not coming up right away, there are some refine your results options on the left-hand side. That's where I click books. I click show more. I can also narrow this down to videos. So if you see a lot of search results and you're not quite sure, it's not coming up right away, you can look at the resource type. You can also change the date. That may help narrow this down a little bit. You can also choose from any of these other options. And of course, if you need more help, you can contact us via Ask a Librarian, in person, by phone, and we will help you out.